Good morning! Gagawa kami ng French toast ngayong umaga. We're going to make French toast this morning. May mga gawa na. Ito na. Some of these are already done. We're using butter and milk. And what have you put in there? And vanilla and cinnamon.
Whoa, it's very hot.
This is how we make French toast kung minsan. Sometimes you make French toast this way. Use butter, egg, vanilla, milk, and cinnamon if cinnamon is available. Sometimes cinnamon is not available, so we just make the toast without cinnamon. This morning we have, so we're using
Whoa.
we're going to make another batch. See, just dip the loaf there, fish it out, and then put it in the pan. It's best to use non-stick pan. Ganon. Sausaw lang ng ganon. Tapos ilagay sa kawali. Ang pinakamainam na gamiting kawali ay non-stick. Leave it like that for a few seconds, then you flip it over. Kung wala tayong loaf, pwede rin natin gamitin ang pandesal, di ba? Ginagawa ninyo ito. Kung walang loaf bread, pwedeng gamitin ang pandesal. Ganito lang. Okay, thank you for watching. Cinnamon. Ano ba ang mga nakalagay dito? Nihahalo sa French toast. Ito ay milk, sugar, egg, cinnamon, and vanilla ngayong umaga. Pwede rin ng walang vanilla at walang cinnamon. Pero ang importante dyan asukal, itlog, at gatas. Yan. Yan. Tapos yan lang. Pwede rin may butter kung gusto. Pwede rin wala. Yung mga nagda-diet dyan, pwede rin iwasan ang butter. Okay. Kompleto na ba? Bye-bye! Tapos na yung isa. Tapos, lagyan natin ng ganito na topping. Kung meron kayong marmalade, pwede ito. Maglagay ng marmalade, orange marmalade. Pwede yung strawberry jam, ganyan, kung anong gusto nyo. As a topping. There. Like that. Tapos, bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo paraan ng pagkain. You may use knife and fork, or you just take it by it is and put it to your mouth and bite. Ganon, di ba? Sige, good morning. Bye-bye.